Okay, I'm back. Power. Right. Yeah, this is the bottom. Double checked that it was the bottom and the left was going to be on the left. Bit of a clean up. Okay. I think that's going to be deep enough. Sorry. I'm using this rod as a depth gauge. Oh, get in there. Could go a little bit more. Not a lot. Just open that up a little bit more. Oops. Still needs a fraction off, but oh no. I tried the Dremel to see if the sanding disc that I had in there would do the job. So what I'm going to do is just going to wiggle the drill around and open it up a little bit at a time until it gets to the point where I can just get it in. Now that, I don't think I would need it. Well, I don't think I'll need a screw for it. I'll make sure that I've got the lip upwards. Look at that. The props keep vanishing. Yep, there's the bit of tubes that I was trying it with. I can use a smaller bit of tube obviously, but as a guide that will do. So now, make sure I've still got the lip up the top. Yep. Now I'm going to use some softwood so I don't damage the bearing too much, or at all. Oops. Overflow. keeps going off at an angle. I don't know where. Oh, it's in there. Well, as it's that tight and there's no weight on it, I suppose if I drilled all the way through, then I can put it at the bottom a little bit, you know, so it's recessed, so that the yeah, I think that's what I'll do if I can get it back. Oh, that was tight. Right, I didn't realise it was going to be that tight. Let's try again. Open this up a little bit. Bring the other side up. Let's have another go. Oh, check for the lip, Raymond. You nearly put it in upside down now. Right, bottom left goes in the top here. Right. And then, wish me luck. What does it keep catching on? Well, it seems straight. Let's try it up a little bit more. I don't want to take too much out in case it falls straight through. Is that the correct one? Yep. I'm probably doing this all wrong. Let's come over again. How strange. There's probably a perfectly good reason why it's going over like that. Yeah, it looks quite central in there. Strange. Try a bit more. Not far to go. Well, it's level. According to that it ain't. Now I've got to make sure that I don't damage the bearing if I'm hitting on the shaft on an angle. Yes, it works okay. Yeah. That surprised me because I thought I damaged it. Now then. Let's try this from the other end. See if we can. Right, button. So that goes in there, some left. Okay. If at first you don't succeed, cut your beak off. Right. Ooh, that was more positive. Still on a bit of an angle, but why does it keep going off at an angle like that? Okay, still. I think what I'm going to end up doing is putting it in and then putting a plate on the bottom. So that's what I'll have to do. But we'll see. Bottom left, that's right. Oh, is it in there now? I don't believe it. It's working fine. Well, that's alright then. So now all I need now is a piece of some kind of sleeve that will sit on the end of here and sit over the centre of the bearing, and then it'll turn quite merrily. I'm quite pleased with that, even if it did take me a long time to do. Right, it's going to look alright. Right, I'm going to have a cup of tea and I'll pop back later, okay?